Matapos nito ang pagdaloy ng kasaysayan. Nabubuo ang mga sinaunang pamayanan ng Pilipinas kalapit ang mga anyong tubig. Tulad ng ilog, batis, lawa, at dagat. Nakatulong ito sa pagbuo ng kapilasnan sa ulan at sa pagbubuhay ng mga pamayanan sa pamamagitan ng paglalaya. Nang dumating ang mga Espanyol sa Pilipinas, sabi nitang pinagsama ang mga pamayanan sa mga pueblo. Dahil dito, kinailangan ng iba't ibang makabagong paraan ng pagkuha at pamamahagi ng malinis na tubig upang punan ang pangangailangan ng mga tao. Umasa ang mga tao sa mga akwador na binayaran upang maghatid ng tubig mula sa mga malilinis na batis. Nag-ipon din ang ilang mga kabahayan ng tubig ulan at ang ilan naman ay may kanya-kanyang balon. Upang linisin ang nag-ipong tubig, ito ay pinagkaluan ng sinalo. Sa Maynila, kabisera ng pamahalaang kolonyal ng mga Espanyol sa Pilipinas, ang naging panguliraning ito ng polusyon sa ilog at ang paglaganap ng mga sakit tulad ng kolera. Ito ang suliraning pinaghandang kasi ng pamahalaang kolonyal ng Espanya. Matapos ang ilang mga pag-aaral, sinimulang itayo ang isang malawakang sistema ng pagbigal noong 1870. Dinisenyo ito ni Genaro Palacios na kilala rin sa pagdidisenyo ng simbahan ng San Sebastian sa Quiapo, Maynila, ang katangin-tanging bakal na simbahan sa Asia.
Through the initiative of the National Historical Commission of the Philippines, the city government of San Juan, and the Metropolitan Water and Sewerage System, and the NHS.
Kailangan din sapat ng taas na lugar upang makadalo ng tubig sa iba't ibang lugar sa Maynila.
Welcome to the Eldeposito Underground Reservoir. El Deposito had a significant role in history, as it was formerly Manila's primary source of clean water in the early 19th century, being a part of the Colonial waterworks system. San Juan del Monte was chosen by Genaro Palacios as the prime location of El Deposito for its elevation from the water source San Mateo River and its distance from Manila. The plateau where El Deposito was constructed has an area of 50,000 square meters and is composed of compact volcanic tuff, a strong material that can withstand strong earthquakes. The area was dug to build two big underground galleries. The river were pumped through two water gates going to El Deposito. As it goes to the reservoir, water flowed from water steps, creating small falls, and cascades down to the bigger galleries. A few years after, through the initiative of the National Historical Commission of the Philippines, the city government of San Juan, and the Metropolitan Waterworks and Sewerage System, with the NHCP's recognition of its historical significance, the rehabilitation of the El Deposito Underground Reservoir began in 2016 and went on until 2020. Now, this historic site of El Deposito is in venture, but also the great engineering feat that was done in order to provide clean and accessible water to everyone. Welcome to El Deposito Underground Reservoir. El Deposito had a significant role in history, as it was formerly Manila's primary source of clean water in the early 19th century, being a part of the Colonial waterworks system. San Juan del Monte was chosen by Genaro Palacios as the prime location of El Deposito for its elevation from the water source San Juan City and its distance from Manila. The plateau where El Deposito was constructed has an area of 50,000 square meters and is composed of compact volcanic rock, a strong material that can withstand strong earthquakes. The area was dug to build two big underground galleries that served as water reservoirs connected to one another. It measures 6 meters in height, 3 meters in width, and is surrounded by subsidence and oil. These two galleries were sold for $80,000 and some of them increasing the capacity of the entire reservoir to 1 the whole reservoir allows 6,000 cubic meters of water. The water from the San Juan Through the initiative of the National Historical Commission of the Philippines, the city government of San Juan, and the Metropolitan Motorways and Sewerage System, with NHCP's recognition of its historical significance, the rehabilitation of El Deposito Underground Reservoir began in 2016 and went on until 2020. Now, this historic site of El Deposito shows not only the waterworks system in the Spanish colonies in Manila in the 19th century, but also the great engineering feat that was done in order to provide clean El Deposito Underground Reservoir. El Deposito has a real great history, as it was formerly Manila's primary source of clean water in the early 19th century, and in fact, very much for the oasis. San Juan was chosen by the Heritage of El Deposito for its elevation from the water source San Juan City and its distance from Manila. The plateau where El Deposito was constructed had an area
ang pahalagahan at kasaysayan, pagyakin, ako ang pagtututo para sa mga susunod na henerasyon. Nasa akin na lugar, kaya halos na sumama sa isang gani sa mga lipunan nasa mga kailangan ang kasaysayan at parang kasarapan sa mga
colonial support proposed to 56,000 cubic meters of water. The water from the San Juan River